What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
It just like one day after I wake up and I saw that my screen doesn't work, and I went to the repair shop. They tried to change the screen, but it didn't work, and they also disabled my Face ID.
Oh my gosh.
And it just reboot and reboot after that.
Wow.
That's why I came.
Don't worry, I got you.
Goodbye.
Surgery time. Alright, you want the good news or bad news?
Obviously, good news.
You want the good news,
Yep.
but I wish I would give you good news. Yeah, there's, I don't know, wherever you get a fix. See, this is the aftermarket screen. They messed up your phone.
Yeah, I know.
They messed up everything. Like I tried to change the whole housing. See, like all this, but they don't work. Let's see if it's gonna work on this one or not, but your phone is ready. I'm just joking with you. Check your Face ID, it's working or not. You have to set it up.
Yeah. Yep.
Is it working?
Definitely work.
Look at that. Good?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yes.
All right.